In this video, I will show you how to create a Steam account. Steam is the browser-based application and ultimate destination for playing, discussing and creating the games. So let's get started. In order to create the Steam account, go to the browser and type store.steampowered.com. I will also provide you this link in the description below. Alternatively, you can also go to the browser and search for Steam and click on it. The first result will come, which is door.steampowered.com. So click on the Welcome to Steam. After clicking on here, click on the login. Under login, since you do not have any account, scroll down and you will see the option for create an account. Click on the create an account. Enter your email address. Enter it again. Select the country and click on I am not a robot. You need to be 13 years and older. For the age criteria here, click the checkbox and click continue. Here it is asking you to verify your email address. So go to your email address to verify it. Click on the verify my email address. Once your account is created, you need to enter the account name. So you can provide your account name. Provide any password. Password must be 8 characters long. You should include uppercase and lowercase and numbers. Enter the password again and click on done. So this is how you can create your account on Steam. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.